Hello and welcome to English Minglish channel. In this video, we will learn cooking verbs, listen and repeat. Chop. Chop 3 cloves of garlic finely. Slice. Slice a red chili into thin rounds. Dice. Dice a fresh tomato into small pieces. Peel. Peel the skin off an apple and reserve the zest. Drain. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain the water. Mash. Mash 1 avocado for a creamy texture. Pour. Pour olive oil generously into a pan. Break. Break the spaghetti in half before cooking. Squeeze. Squeeze fresh orange juice into the dish. Fry. Fry the garlic and chili in olive oil until golden. Melt. Melt butter in a pan for a rich flavor. Saute. Saute spinach until wilted. Boil. Boil spaghetti in salted water until al dente. Simmer. Simmer the tomato sauce for 20 minutes. Steam. Steam broccoli until tender crisp. Roast. Roast cherry tomatoes until they burst. Bake. Bake garlic bread until golden and crispy. Grill. Grill chicken breasts until fully cooked. Mix. Mix the pasta with the tomato sauce. Whip. Whip cream until stiff peaks form. Weigh. Weigh the flour for precise measurements. Add. Add salt and pepper to taste. Sprinkle. Sprinkle Parmesan cheese on top. Stir. Stir the ingredients gently to combine. Tenderize. Tenderize meat with a meat mallet. Sift. Sift flour before adding it to the batter. Grate. Grate fresh ginger for a burst of flavor. Blend. Blend fruits for a smoothie. Toast. Toast pine nuts until golden and fragrant. Spread. Spread peanut butter on toast. Knead. Knead the bread dough until elastic. Roll out. Roll out pizza dough on a floured surface. Toss. Toss the salad for even dressing distribution. Taste. Taste the dish and adjust the seasoning if needed. Make. Make a simple vinaigrette with oil and vinegar. Wash. Wash fruits and vegetables before using. Measure. Measure ingredients accurately for the best results. Sharpen. Sharpen knives before starting to cook. Crush. Crush garlic with the back of a knife. Light. Light the oven for preheating. Turn off. Turn off the stove after cooking. Heat. Heat the pan before adding the ingredients. Flip. Flip pancakes when bubbles form on the surface. Put. Put the dough in the oven to bake. Top. Top the pizza with your favorite toppings. Decorate. Decorate the cake with icing and sprinkles. Serve. Serve the dish hot and enjoy. Chop. Slice. Dice. Peel. Drain. Mash. Pour. Break. Squeeze. Fry. Melt. Saute. boil, simmer, steam, roast, bake, grill, mix, whip, weigh, add, sprinkle, stir, tenderize, sift, grate, blend, toast, spread, knead, roll out, toss, taste, make, wash, measure, sharpen, crush, light, turn off, heat, flip, put, top, decorate, serve.